Hello, hello, hello. I hope all is well with you and your family. Welcome for another day of live technical analysis where you can know when to enter, where to place stop loss, and where to put your take profit. We are an educational platform and you can check our previous live stream where you can learn and add to your trading strategy. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe or else Bogdanov will dump on you. Okay? So feel free to ask questions and suggest coins so we can add it today. Okay, let's now check our coin. Hello, hello, hello everyone. Lodi. Hi, new names right here. Klein, Matthew, Mary Madeline. Thank you for joining us. Yes, you can just follow the instruction of Scholar Trade. Join our subscription giveaway. Okay, so we have a giveaway. Like, share, and subscribe. Leave comment as 500 peso. One lucky fan will take 500 peso right away. Okay, so this is for our weekly raffle like I said to you earlier last few days. Okay, so and also we add some, at least you share it to your groups. Okay, you share it, at least you share it in Facebook, okay? Okay. So this is our new channel. I hope you have subscribed already. Hello, Christian Legaspi. How can we learn to confirm entry? 500. Yes. If it is a confirm entry, you go to Telegram community, okay? You see our QR code in the side. So you screenshot that you subscribe already, you comment and you like, and then you share it in your Facebook. So you screenshot all the things that you did, and then someone will verify there, and then we will add you in our raffle. Okay? So we will live raffle it live. Okay? So we will add your Gcash number right here. Okay, for those who are confirmed already, example. Okay, so that's just an example. We will add your name. Okay, every day is one entry. Okay, so more chances of winning. Okay, so if you complete the 7 days, then you have 7 days entry, and the entry starts today. Okay. Okay, so we will send 500 pesos in GCash. Okay? Okay. So we'll say GCash or USDT. Okay? So just ready yourself. You join our Telegram community. Scan the QR code right there. Okay? Okay, so basic technical analysis. What you should learn. Okay? So what you must learn as newbie. Psychology of the trader. One chapter of our psychology of trader is relax. Okay, say it with me, relax. Okay, the market will not leave, it will always be there. If you have a losing trade, you can rest. Okay, sometimes it takes different people has different relaxing days. Okay, so some may take recovery for 1 day rest and then they trade again. Some will take 1 week rest and then they trade again. And then some takes months and even years. It's okay as long as you go back to trading. You don't give up. Okay? Don't give up on yourself and don't give up on trading because you will only lose once you surrender. Okay? And so relax. There is no need to rush a single thing in your trading journey. And believe me, take it from my experience, every time I tried to, I failed. Okay, so every time we force things, you see, one sign that you know that you are making the wrong decision, it is a forced decision. Okay? So do not force things. Okay, let it flow naturally. So trading must come naturally. Okay, you don't force it. Okay? And for example, you only have 100,000 pesos. That's your only last money and you put it in trading. And if you consume all, you lose all, then you will ruin your life with it. Okay? So better stabilize your financial income and then you can start trading with the excess. Okay, so it won't be pressure to you. Okay, whether you win or lose, it's fine. Okay, because in trading, there are people always, there will always be a winner and a loser. Okay, you will win some, you lose some. And make sure when you lose, you don't lose all. Okay, that's why we take care of our stop loss. We give signals in our live stream, and usually during our live stream, there is no exact entry. Okay, sometimes our signal is no volume yet. So that would be very high risk. Okay, high risk for trading. So we give you so many signals. If 3 fails and 1 shoots, then it's okay because those 3 has stop loss. And the 1 will make you profit, so you will still make money. Okay, but if you don't have stop loss, your failed trades will ruin your funds. Okay? Okay, so which then takes many years before mastering it. Okay, so people attend university for years before going out into a career, which then takes many years before mastering it. Yet people want to master trading in a year. Okay, everybody wants to master trading in a year. So patience is required in all aspects of trading, whether it's on the chart themselves or with your strategy or with your learning curve. It all requires patience. If you are going after trading as a serious life career, which you aim to remain in, then relaxing and taking your time is the first step. Nothing great comes from rushing it, especially the markets. Okay? So don't rush things. So you enjoy our live stream, you learn from it. Okay? For now, you try our signals, but later on you will develop your own trading strategy. That is our goal in our Telegram community. We build our own strong community. Okay? Okay. Thank you for joining our live stream today. I know this is Sunday, so most of you are tired. Most of you maybe laundry day. Some of you maybe are doing other things, family day. So I appreciate you tuning in to our live stream, okay? So I know we Filipino value weekends, okay? So thank you for joining us. Okay. So this is my signal this afternoon. And I told you our short position is still in this trading area. 38167 and 38874. 38167. And I told you if you followed my instruction, this is the short because this is already the top. Okay? This is already the top. If you look at our awesome oscillator, there is no more volume in our awesome oscillator. Okay, let me show you. Okay, for the newbies, I will keep showing you the chart. Okay, here. Twin peaks bullish. Twin peaks bearish. Even though it is going higher high, you can see higher high, but our twin peaks bullish, bearish, our awesome oscillator is going down. Okay, below. Lower high. So look at this one. Let's remove Ichimoku. Okay, so this is high. Okay, and going lower. Okay, lower high. From here, we have lower high. And look at our candlestick pattern. It's higher high. Okay? So this shows that there is a change of direction. Okay, there is a change of direction. Okay. Feel free to join our raffle, okay? So just comment and we'll add all of you in our raffle, okay? So going back to our awesome oscillator, we can see that we are already forming a bearish divergence. Okay? So this one is still going up, but our volume is going down. Okay? There's not much volume. And even this one, the previous high, the volume is now lower. Okay? You can see this one. Okay, this is for our time frame. So that's why I told you this is the top. And look at the Ichimoku cloud. We are exactly here in the Ichimoku cloud Senku A. Okay, our Senku A. So this is strong resistance right here. So if you open short position right here, then you already made money. Okay? So look at our trades right here. So this is the signal that we provided right here. Here we are touching it. And then I told you to a short entry 38167. So this is the one, 38167. So if you follow this one, then you already what time did I send this? It's 1:47. Today is it's already 6 p.m. So you are already in profit if you follow this, okay? So you can just see our EOS. This is last night TA. Our EOS technical analysis, this is our last night. Okay, so we reached 243%, 100x. Okay, 147% EOS. So in profit, in profit. Okay, even our Ethereum is still printing right now. Okay, so right now we are here. Okay, this is the candle, and then now it went down. Okay, so I hope if you use 20x, 50x, then you will not get liquidated right away. Okay, and you can make money to the downside. Okay, so just make sure with your stop loss, because there will be stop loss hunter. Okay, hello iconic name, thank you for joining us. Okay, so we will remove this one now. But actually in Bitcoin this still works, okay? But we'll check first our news for today. Okay, I was just having a recap from our lunch TA. Okay, pop megastar Justin Bieber splurge 1.3 million on NFT. Okay, this will be a bullish news. So Justin Bieber is now jumping on NFT. Justin Bieber really paid 5x the Bored Ape floor price for an ape with no rare traits. He just got so Bieber, because Bieber is the owner, people will really love that NFT. Okay, they will buy it to Bieber. Okay, you know Bieber, right? So this is another Paris Hilton on buying the dip in crypto and first NFT giveaway on television history. Wow. So these are all bullish news, right? So our Hollywood celebrities are doing the decentralized economic system with the cryptocurrency. So they are all jumping in this one. So we can make sure that this will be going to be a bullish 2022. Woohoo! Bullish 2022. Are you excited with a bullish 2022? Okay, so that's our news for today. This is weekend, so there's not much volume we can expect, okay? Okay. So, Lodi. Okay, so now let's check some weekly time frame. This is important, okay? Follow me closely. So this is weekly time frame from our Bitcoin. And as you can see, our Ichimoku cloud is already below. And as you can see, we have crossed already. Okay? And this is bearish right here. But right now, we are above the cloud. Okay? Which means we still have 13 hours. And if we close above this cloud, then there will be sign that it will be beginning of the accumulation phase. Okay? So this is very important. Okay? So, but if we close below the cloud, we go down and close below, then there will be a bigger to the downside. Okay? So, just like this one, a strong dip, and then a green candle, so it started sideways. So, right now, we are expecting this to at least enter the cloud. Okay? Close above the cloud. Okay? Don't close inside, or I don't close below. Okay, let's check another weekly time frame. This is Pitchfork. So if you are familiar with Pitchfork, beginning of the bull run, and then from the all-time high, previous all-time high, and then the previous low. Okay, here. Okay, and then previous low. Okay, so previous low, and you can see Pitchfork usually predicts some change of trend, and sometimes it predicts the trend where it is going. Okay, and if it happens like this, then we can expect, if this is the bottom already, we can expect 79,288. Okay, so that's what we are looking at right now. Okay, for our Bitcoin. Okay, 79,288. Okay, 74,265. Okay, okay, so that's how we do this one here. Okay, so another chart right here. This is the Wyckoff market cycle. Wyckoff's market cycle. So if you look at this one, every market has a cycle. Okay, so we need to know what is the what cycle are we at. Are we in the distribution? Are we in the accumulation? Are we in the markup? Okay, so this is the Wyckoff's market cycle, a bookish. Okay, this is bookish. Can you hear me clearly? So this one is accumulation, and then this one is a spring. Below. This is lower, low, and then back, and then spring goes up. Okay, accumulation. This one is reaccumulation. This one is distribution, and then another spring to the downside, and then redistribution, and then accumulation again, then a spring to the upside. Okay, this is the Wyckoff's market cycle. Okay, and as you look at our Bitcoin, it shows the same thing: accumulation, reaccumulation, distribution, and then accumulation again, and then reaccumulation, distribution, redistribution, and right now we are entering accumulation phase. Okay, and what's next? Spring and then markup. Wow, so that's what we are waiting right now. We are expecting some pump to the upside. Okay, so right now we are still accumulating. We need more candles to the sideways, just like this one. So many sideways candle. So we are also expecting more sideways candle here. Okay, okay. And as you can see, we got respected with our trend line to the downside. Okay, we got a resistance here. It got a support in this two candle, and down here it becomes a resistance. Okay, so we are just staying chilling in this area of resistance and support. Okay, this one is fib circle. Fib circles. Okay, so if you want to know how to use fib circle from previous all-time high and then to the bottom here, starting off the run, and then fib circle predicting major move every time it crosses a ring. So it crosses a ring right here. This is the ring, consolidation, and then moves to the upside, 80% move. Okay, let me pull out a ruler. Okay, so 85% move. Okay, so 80% move, and then crosses a ring again, consolidation, and then pumps to the upside, 74% move. Now crosses a ring again, and now it's going down. If it touches 80% move, our price target will be 10K. Okay, so where the bull run started, it will end again there. Okay, so that's a possibility of these fib circles. Okay, so I am just showing you all the possibility. Okay, so we are not biased to bulls and bears, but we are just saying that these are the possible, because this still is in play. Okay, let me show you. This one is head and shoulder pattern. Shoulder, head, and then shoulder. Let me show you in our book. Here, head, shoulder, head, and then shoulder. The breakout is to the downside. Okay? Bearish head and shoulder. Shoulder, head, shoulder. Breakout to the downside. And this is our price target right here. Okay? From top to bottom right here, and then price target. So this is our price target, 17,478. Still big place to the downside. Okay, that's why I'm telling you there is still more possibility to the downside. Okay, okay, so now let's go to our daily time frame. Okay, let's check our daily time frame. Let's hide the text right here. Daily time frame, what do we have here? Okay, in our daily time frame, we are trying to break to the upside. So many green candles already. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Already 6 candle. So this is the top right here for our trading area. And if you look at our Let me pull out our awesome oscillator. Awesome oscillator is still bullish, bearish, okay? So lower low, okay? And volume is lower low. Okay, so we can expect a retracement. Let me pull out some fib line right here. So if it is a retracement, it will look like this one. Okay? So right now we are testing 0.5. Oh, fits well with our resistance. 0.5, okay? So if we don't break this, then when we start going to the downside, price target will be 1.618, the golden ratio, 26,000. Okay? And from our previous news, Robert Kiyosaki will start accumulating once it touches 20,000. Okay, so this is a possibility right here. Okay, let me show you why I'm telling you that. This one, Fibonacci retracement. It's starting in 0.5, so it's still a normal trend. If it bounces in 0.618, then it's a strong trend. Okay, you just reverse this one. And if it bounces in 0.382, then it's a weak trend. Okay, this one, 382. If it bounces here, weak trend. But if it bounces here, a normal trend to the downside. Okay? Okay. So I hope you can see it clearly. So this is our daily time frame, and this is very crucial. Okay? This is important to notice. Okay? So if you want to start shorting, that's why I told you short here. Okay? Even with this, I was not looking at the 1-day time frame. I was looking from 1 hour time frame and 4 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame because we are only scalping. Okay, so let's hide this fib line right here. Okay, 4 hour time frame. This is our 4 hour time frame, and as you can see, we have rejection here in the Ichimoku cloud. This is also our 0.3, 0.5, okay, in our fib line. Okay, so that's still accurate right there. And maybe if I use, let me use the fib line in 4 hour time frame. What happens here from bottom to top? Okay, same. We are still testing the 0.5. Okay. Okay. So going back right here. So how are we going to trade this one? We are still looking at the 4 hour time frame. Let me pull out this one. It seems there's a trend line here. Okay. There's a trend line here. This is our most probably we will bounce. I told you there is not much volume. So we can expect a sideways here like this one. Okay. If it doesn't hold, then it will go lower. And then they will sideways here. Okay, and then break out to the upside. Okay, so that's the possibility right there. Okay, hello Mia. Thank you for joining us tonight. Even though it's weekend, right? So thank you for joining us. Feel free to suggest coins, okay? So this is a Bitcoin right here. And this is our trading area. Okay, this is our trading area. So we got sideways here and then spring up. Okay, this is a spring up. It went down and then spring up to the upside, just like the Wyckoff market cycle. Spring up and then mark up and then consolidate again, mark up and then consolidate again. Okay, so it's like this is accumulating again, accumulating and then pump again. Okay, so that's you can apply Wyckoff even in the short little time frame. Okay, not just in for 1 week time frame. Okay, so you can also apply it in a smaller time frame, and right now we are applying it accumulation, spring, mark up, and then rejection, and then reaccumulation again, and then pump again for the distribution area. Okay, so this one is very bullish, of course, but right now since there is no volume, so we cannot expect more to the upside. Okay, okay, let's check 1 hour time frame. One hour time frame. Okay, for our 1 hour time frame, it seems We get a respect here. Okay. So there is a respect here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there is a potential a change of direction, 1 hour time frame. So price target will be right here. So if we break to the downside, this will be our price target. Okay, so for short, this is our price target. Okay, so if it breaks to the downside, I told you open a position here. Let me show you our text. Okay, our entry is 38167. So this is the area right here, 38167. TP1 3755. This one is the first TP because there's no volume. TP right away here. Second take profit will be 36137. This is the second take profit. You can take profit also here in 36502. Okay. Okay, let's delete this one. Let's edit this one. For the long position, it's still working. Okay. For the long position. For the short position, let me check our short position. We can add the take profit of our breakout trade right here to the downside. Okay. TP2 will be 36502. Okay, this one will become TP3. Okay. Entry is still the same. This area right here, area of entry. Okay. Take note, there is no volume in our awesome oscillator, so it's going to the opposite direction this time. Let's remove. Okay, so this is our signal right now. Okay, long position still applicable because we are still in Wyckoff pattern. Okay, so let's remove Ichimoku. Let's check RS. Okay, as you can see, we are already in the upside of this RSVVB, and we are supposed to go to the middle and go sideways and then movement again. Okay, so we are expecting movement to the downside. Okay, how does RSVVB works? First, it constricts the tunnel. So once it's constricted, then it moves a massive move. Okay, so it went down with a massive move right there. Okay, and so right now we are expecting the same, a constriction. Okay, and then a massive move to the upside. Okay, so that's what we are expecting right now for this one. Okay. Okay, so take a screenshot so you get to see how to trade this one. Okay, let me pull it here so you can take a screenshot, a clear screenshot, right? Oops. Okay, here. So your stop loss is 1 to 6%, okay? And you can learn also where to place stop loss properly. Okay, for those who are using Julian, we don't have calculator yet there, so you better calculate well and trade at your own risk. So better use lower leverage, 20 to 50x. Okay, so if you want to use 100x, it will move massive move, but if once it's negative, it moves massive move also. Okay, and stop loss will be a lot closer. Okay, so we only advise to use at least enough. Okay, so do we have any suggested coin right here? So if there is no suggested coin, we will run our coins. Okay, we will check our coins. Okay, the coin that we are checking will be Ethereum. Okay. Okay, this is Ethereum. Actually, our Ethereum is in profit. Our Ethereum long is in profit. Can you see that one? Ethereum entry. Okay, let's remove this one. 2543. 2543 entry to the upside. Okay, 27. TP will be 2724. So 2724 is still here, still far right. We are resting in right now in 0.786. So we are in profit currently in Ethereum, and my trade also in Ethereum is still on on the run. Okay, so it's still in play right now. Let me see. Okay, so let me have a partial liquidation. Okay, look at this one. I will share it to our Telegram community. Okay, so imagine our Ethereum 471. Okay, so it is still on the run. Okay, let me show you. Okay, trade here. Here, this is our Ethereum. Okay, this one is the opening price already is 2543. Okay, opening price 2543. 2543. 2543 entry. Okay, so we followed our TA. We followed our TA and the 2543 here, the green line right here, and it went up. Okay, so we are not yet taking profit. We are trimming profit, but we don't take profit all right as it is not yet touching our target price. Okay, but Bitcoin, if Bitcoin starts to go down, then it will go down also. Okay, so this is what is happening right now. Okay, so 471% in Ethereum. Okay, so that's how accurate our TA. Okay, so the disadvantage only there is if you don't have any background in trading and then you follow trade, you will lack some critical thinking about your stop loss. Okay, you will lack some wise decision making in entry and this stop loss, and sometimes you will not be able to join to the upside. Okay, because sometimes you will be able to join from this one liquidation right here to the downside, or you are able to join here and then it goes up. Okay, so that's how it works with our trading. Okay, so this is Ethereum. So how are we going to trade it now? Okay, let's delete this one. Let's just edit. Okay, so how are we going to trade it? Let me pull out some fib line. So actually, if we delete this one, our trading area will be right here from bottom to top. Okay, so as you can see, we are currently here below. We are currently above in our 0.618. Okay, so we are above 0.618, so we can expect more to the upside. We might test the 0.5. Okay, 2716. Okay, or the 2724. Okay, so that's a possibility for testing to the upside. Okay, so if that is the case, then your entry position is either here in 1.618 or still here in 2543, but still it's already far, right? So you can catch already the train, the money train. Okay, that's why it's very crucial the time when to enter. Okay, so even when we give signals, it's crucial for when to enter. Okay, so that's it. Okay, we will learn, don't worry. That's why we are here, because we are trying to learn this money making machine. Okay, so right now, what are we doing right now? So entry here and then take profit here. So how are we going to trade? Our short position is still in play. Okay, 2530. 2530, this is our short position, but it's also our long position here. So since it went up, then the long position took place. So if you want a short position, let me edit. Short position will be 2716. Okay, this is for our short position. And then TP1 will be 2585. Okay, scalp. Okay, this one is TP2. This one TP3. TP4. TP5. Okay, let's delete this one so we don't get confused. Okay, TP2 will be 2543 scalp. Okay, TP3 will be this one 2399. Okay, I think that's it. So this is our short and this is our long position. Our long is still the same, 2724. Okay? Okay. So if you want higher take profit, if you want to catch another long position, you can catch it here. Another entry in 2585. Okay? TP will be 28. Oh, this is long position. Okay, 2847. Okay, scalp. Okay, so that's a 2 entries right there. If you want to catch the ride, okay? Maybe you can still enter, but that's really risky. Okay, stop loss 1 to 6% only. Okay, so this is for our Ethereum position. Okay. Okay. So let's check another coin. So how did we do this one? Let's have some teaching here. Okay, you use fib lines from bottom to top, and then you see the trading area, okay, and the support resistance. Every line is a resistance and support. Okay, and this is our trading area right here. So we made a line here, trading area. Okay, our trading area. This one, trading area. Okay, so this is our trading area, and then this is the pump, spring up, and then break out to the upside, and then retest, goes down again, and now upside again. Okay, so for our time frame is still bullish. Okay, 4-hour time frame is still bullish. 1-hour time frame, let me see if it's still bullish. No volume. Okay, Awesome Oscillator is telling us no volume, so it's time to short. Okay, it's close time to short. Okay, so you wait only for our short entries. Okay, so don't risk. Of course, this is 1-hour time frame. It's higher high, but our Awesome Oscillator is lower low, so there's not much more to the upside. Okay, so there is an incoming breakout, and if it breaks, that would be painful. Okay, so the breakout price from top to bottom, if it breaks here, then this is our price target. Okay, 2526. Okay, so this is the area where we can start shorting also. Okay, of course we wait for the volume. Sometimes it will try to hit this one for the last time and then dumps, but if it's not able to hit, then it will start dropping. Okay, okay, so that's for our Ethereum. Okay, let's check EOS. Okay, so EOS, our EOS is still in profit. Okay, our trade yesterday was still in profit. Let me check EOS here. So this is our EOS. What is our entry for long? Entry is 2.293. 2.293. Where is it? 2.2. Here, the green line, 2.293. Our entry. Okay, up to 2.3. TP is 2.384. The TP is right here, 2.384. We touched it already. Okay, but okay. I think I was not able to put my take. Okay. So right here. Let me show you. Okay. Look. Our entry is 2.293. Okay. Let me show you this. This is our EOS. Long position. Entry is 2.293. Okay. And now we are in 2.3448. Okay. 2.3448. Okay. 449. Okay. So we are currently right here. Okay. So our trade is on play. Okay. And we have a 400% profit. 426%. Okay. So that's how our trading strategy works. Okay, so you put your take profit in the exact. Okay, you set up your stop profit. Your stop profit will be 2.383. Okay, this one, 2.383. Okay. So that's how it works right there. Okay. Ethereum is currently right now still pumping hard in our long position. Okay. So Ethereum is still doing its pump right now, 500% already. Okay, so that's how our trade is happening. So right now, for our awesome oscillator, no volume on anymore. Okay, so it has a good run, but now it got tired. Okay, so there's no volume anymore to go to the upside. So we can expect a change of direction. Okay, so if there is a change of direction, then that would be to the downside. So from top to bottom, if it breaks here, then this is your price target. Okay, so what works here, if you still run your long, then it's okay. You make sure you take profit when happy. Okay, short position entry 2.383 entry. Okay, the short will be 2.383. So if you hit this one, it will open short right away also. Okay, that's a good thing right there. Okay, so open short 2.383, and another entry for short is here, 2.3. Okay, so I think it's fine, right? So if we have a confirmation, we can also put 2.335. Okay, let's add this one. Entry 2.335. Okay. Okay, so this is our possible entry. I put the entry right here for the breakout. Okay, so better enter once this is a confirmed breakout. Okay, the problem is if you are only following our signal, you don't know what I just said. Okay, you just look at the number and you put it right away. So sometimes it will be hit, and this is not a confirmed breakout. It will just hit here and then go up, and so you get stop loss right away. Okay, so you only enter. That's why I always tell you that you wait for it to close. So once it closes, then you enter and then you ride it. Okay, to the downside. Because usually once it close, the next candle will go up to retest and touch your entry and then go down. Okay? So that's why it is important you know at least some basic in trading once you want to make money. Okay? So my advocacy really is not in giving signals. My advocacy is that you learn it yourself. I give you the tools. Okay, I will give you the tools on how to do it. Okay, the TA I use the indicator I use. Take note of it. Ichimoku cloud, EMA ribbon. Okay, this is still bullish, right? We are still in a strong support of bullish EMA. Our Ichimoku cloud, this is also bullish. This needs a correction at least. Okay, and our RSVVB. Okay, it's upside and we are going to enter to the middle again. Okay, and then RSI, awesome oscillator. So usually I just use awesome oscillator and fib lines. That's enough already. Okay, I just check some for confirmation for direction. Okay. Okay. So that's for our EOS. So if you want to learn our EOS, then this is our short position. Okay? So for our short position, if you want to open long position, this is still our entry for the long. Okay? So retest here. Maybe we will take profit here and then goes up again. Okay? So take profit when happy. Okay? Take a screenshot for our EOS so you can enter our EOS trade. Okay. So let's check other coin. The next one will be TRX is actually at the bouncing area. Okay. So we hit our short. TP1 will be 05 601. Okay, we hit the TP1 here. Short. Okay, that's good. This is 05601. Okay, so this we touch it and then we also touch the 5492 TP2. Okay, so we hit TP1 TP2 and then upside again. Okay, so we did well with our breakout trade right here. Okay, so let's delete this one. So many lines, right? Okay. So for our weekly time frame, we are actually in a bouncing area. Okay? So this is a good area of bounce right here. Okay? So if we bounce here, this will be a bottom, then there will be a long way to the upside. Okay? So we still have 13 hours. So it break out to the upside, then it will continue to go up. But if it doesn't, then there will be a place to the downside. Okay? But I think there is a strong support here. So it's hard to break in this area. Okay, it's hard to break. Okay? Sorry about that. Okay. So for our TRX, how are we going to trade this one for our time frame? Okay, let me find our trading area. Here, trading area. This is the spring up. This is our trading area right here. Okay. And then this is our retest right here. Okay. So we are actually currently pumping to the upside. Okay. We put some trend line here. Still far, right? If you put it from here, still far. Okay. Let's pull out some fib line. So you know trading area from bottom to top. Okay. So we are currently our fib line break the 0.618. So if you want to trade TRX right now from this shorter time frame, let me pull out the 1 hour time frame. Okay, our 1 hour time frame, there is a twin peaks already. Ooh, twin peaks here, so we can expect more to the downside. Okay, this is 1 hour time frame. Okay, so this is so clear. Twin peaks to the downside. Look at this one. Okay, this is the good thing when you memorize all the indicator. You can spot right away. Here, twin peaks, bearish twin peaks. Okay, so there is a bearish divergence, even though it's going up, but twin peaks is going down, so it means we can go down. We can start to print lower high. Okay, this is 1 hour. Let's check if it's verified in the 4 hour. For our 4 hour time frame is the other way around. It's still very bullish. Okay, but we printed one red candle, meaning the next candle will be a red candle also. So we can expect some correction. Okay. Okay. If you want this double bottom trade here, 1, 2, the breakout price will be to the upside from bottom to top. Here, this is the price target. Oh, it's perfectly resting in the 0.382. Okay, perfectly resting in 382 exactly. Okay, this is double bottom right here. 1, 2. Let me show you the double bottom. Right here, double bottom. Okay, 1, 2. So to the upside, breakout to the upside. So still more to the breakout to the upside. So we are currently resting in our resistance area, but once we break this, 4 hour time frame is still very bullish, and we still have 1 hour and 7 minutes. Our 1 hour time frame is already twin peaks. Okay, so if you follow the higher time frame, we can expect more. Still has more. Okay, not yet giving up. Okay, so if you want to open long position, then you can try open position long, but very risky. Okay. Okay, so what happens usually if it gets rejected here? Let's pull out sa Michimoku cloud. Okay, we are above the cloud. EMA ribbon, we are above the ribbon, so it's a long position here. It's above, so it's supposed to go back to the center. Okay, so there is no constriction. Okay, we can see a constriction here. If we can call this a constriction here, then the move is to the upside already. Momentum to the upside. Oh, okay, so let's try then. I will not follow the 1 hour time frame twin peaks. We will follow the 4 hour, which is still a bullish, right? But we will just try to scalp it. Okay, let's remove all the... So if it falls, if it gets rejection, it will look like this one. Okay, and then go sideways. Okay, so if it doesn't hold, it breaks, so it will go like this one and then pumps again. Okay, that's a possibility right there. Okay, so let's try. Okay, TRX, long position. Okay, entry will be 0.05 983. Okay. TP1 will be 0.06049. Okay. TP2 will be 0.06147. This one is risky. TP3 will be 0.06396. Okay, so this is riskiest. This one is Scalp. Okay, so this is a possible for long. If you want a short position, you say, I will not follow you, Sir RJ, with your long position. That is so risky. Let me give me a short entry. Okay, I will give you a short entry. If you want a short entry, this will be your short position entry. Okay, entry 1 will be here, this green line right here, 0.06049. Okay. Okay. Then TP1 will be 0.05983. TP2 will be 0.05899. Okay. TP3 will be 0.05758. Okay. So that's our long and short position right here. TRX perp. Okay, so that's our pair. TRX USDT, okay? And then we'll get the instruction from here. Take note of our stop loss, okay? If you get stop out, just enter again, okay? At least you lose 1 to 6% only. Okay, you enter again the same direction until it rides to the downside, okay? If it goes back again to its time, then that's it. TRX. We have other analysts in our Telegram, okay? So especially Sir Ian, okay? So you can also ask for guidance where to put a stop loss, okay? So he can guide you. He is also a excellent analyst, okay? So you can also check on his analysis, okay? So I highly recommend. We are a team, okay? So we help, and even our TA, we cross check, okay? Especially if we have time, we cross check. If we don't have time, so we can cross check anymore. But I really like also his ways in doing TA, okay? So okay, that's why I told you the world is so big. The world is so big to fit for only one idea. Okay, we can learn from everybody. Okay. So it only depends on your personality how you do it. Okay, so this is our TRX signal right here. Okay, so if there is no suggestion anymore, since it's weekend, I will not hold you for long. Okay, so for those who have commented 500 peso, so we have 1, 2, 3. I hope you do the other. Okay, so send your other steps. Okay, let me replace this to names. So Mary Madeleine Rogando. Okay, next is Christian Legaspi. Next is Mr. Ermela. Okay, so for this to be verified, okay, these three and then El Negro. Okay, for this to be verified, these names here to be verified, make sure you share here in TradeScholar community the screenshot, okay, that you like, you comment, you subscribe, and then you share it to your wall. Okay, you share to your wall our live stream. Okay, so you do it every day. Once you are watching, you share the link in our live stream and share it to your wall. Okay, and then take a screenshot and share it here. So this will be confirmed. Okay, these names will be confirmed. Okay, thank you for joining us. So this will be the beginning for 7 days. Okay, so we will continue to add name, and then we will just shuffle. Okay, so nothing to worry. All the best, everyone. Thank you for joining our raffle for today. Okay, so and trade, stay safe, trade safer. All the best. Let's make some money. Cheers. Thank you for joining us even though it's weekend. We appreciate your time and we value your time as well. Thank you. All the best. Cheers.